All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. So essential. Essential. Something very necessary and needed. Yes, that was the essential ingredient. We need those essential tools. We need that to complete it. Yes. Yeah. This is an essential oil. Yes. This essential oil is needed in the mixture. These are the essential directions we need to follow. That was the essential lesson I needed to learn. I think his essential message was that we need to leave now. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. Okay. So, I have more essential lessons to give you. She wants more essential time, essential books for her studies. She needs more necessary books. He thinks those essential repairs can't wait. Yes, those repairs, things that need fixing, cannot wait. They need to happen now. They want those essential roads to be expanded. Those essential roads that are important for people travelling on need to be expanded, made bigger, wider, more complex. Yeah. It is an essential service for people who need help. Essential service for people that need help. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So that was part of the essential list. We've got a list of things, a list of essential things. So we need all these things. We need all these things on the essential list. They are very important. Yeah. Okay. Do you think he's writing an essential guide to England? My essential guide should be read by everyone. Yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So I think he will write the essential guide to England instead. So I'm looking for the essential guide to Mexico because it is an essential country to live in. Yeah. Those essential locations, those essential places are worth visiting. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Essential, very necessary. We need it to do something. It is needed and necessary for something else to happen. Without this essential thing, we can't do that. Without this essential thing, we can't do that. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So essential. So can you write essential in a sentence? Comment below and like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. So you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.